I put the B in beauty, the C in crazy, and I don't give a fuck. What's up? It's your girl Jordan Elise, and I am back with another YouTube video. And if you want to see how I felt at these strawberries, then keep watching, cause your girl don't know what she doing.
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little.
What's up, YouTube? So right here I'm just showing you guys that this is the bowl, the pot, and that I had already boiled my hot water beforehand, that it was boiling then. I was very sick, that's why I'm doing a voiceover, so forgive me. I did go by Aldi's and pick up these strawberries. This was the best looking bunch that they had. So right here I'm just showing you guys how I pick my strawberries and how I rinse them, because you don't know what happened to your strawberries before you got them, or any of your fruit. So make sure you rinse your fruit very well. And just still rinsing my fruit. Make sure you rinse it very, very well, you guys. These were some chopped with some toothpicks I already had. I just broke them in half, as you're going to see in the next clip. And I stuck them through the top of the strawberries, which didn't work very well. So if I recommend, I would say keep the whole one or find something else thicker, because these were slipping right off when I put them in the chocolate. It was hard to pull them up. And yeah, it was just a struggle. So I wouldn't recommend. Or put more than one toothpick through, as you're going to see that I did do in a couple of those strawberries, the bigger ones. So I forgot to show you guys the chocolate because I had opened it beforehand on accident. It was just some cookie and cream type chocolate that I got from Aldi's as well. All this chocolate I got from Aldi's, except for the sneakers. I just used those because I had 2 strawberries left over that I was trying to feel, what you would see at the end. But I don't recommend any of this chocolate because obviously my strawberries did not turn out well. But keep watching if you want to see how they turned out. So right here you can see the strawberries. The lighter ones are the first ones. The top row are the milk chocolate, and the messed up ones with the chunks are the sneakers that you can see. But if you like the video, give it a like and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.